Siobhan. I run Women's Kit, and now normally we talk about cycling clothing. Today we're going to talk about the ABC Quick Check before I ride a bike. The first thing I do is check A, my air. I check to make sure that my tires and my tubes are seated correctly in my wheel and that there's enough pressure in my tire. If you can push the tire more than 1 millimeter, you need to add air. The next is B for brakes. I check that my quick release is closed, that my pads are evenly lined up with my rim, and that everything is working correctly. And now we check the 3 C's: chain, chain ring, and cassette. I give my pedal a quick spin to make sure that everything is running smoothly. If my chain feels dry at all, it's best to add a little bit of oil before you go for a ride.